The secret to long-term financial success isn't just about making money, it's about making yourself more valuable. While many people focus solely on earning and saving, the wealthiest individuals understand that personal growth is the foundation of financial freedom. Investing in yourself means gaining new skills, improving your mindset, and expanding your knowledge to increase your earning potential. The more you develop your abilities, the more opportunities you create for wealth. Whether it's learning about finance, developing leadership skills, or improving your health, self-investment pays the highest returns. Too many people spend their time chasing quick money instead of building long-term value within themselves. The good news? You don't need a massive bank account to start, just the right mindset and a commitment to growth. In this video, we'll explore the 20 most powerful ways to invest in yourself and unlock your full potential. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll have the blueprint to transform your life. And before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. 1. The power of lifelong learning and education. Education isn't just about getting a degree. It's about continuously learning and improving your knowledge. The world is evolving rapidly, and those who stop learning quickly fall behind. Whether it's reading books, taking online courses, or attending seminars, expanding your knowledge helps you stay ahead in your career and personal life. The most successful people make learning a daily habit. They understand that knowledge is power, and those who know more can do more. Even small investments in education can lead to significant financial growth over time. Learning about finance, business, or new skills can open doors to opportunities that others miss. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. The internet has made education more accessible than ever. Take advantage of free and paid resources to build your expertise. Never stop learning, because every new skill you acquire increases your potential to earn and grow. 2. Building high-income skills for unlimited earning potential. Relying on a single source of income is risky in today's fast-changing world. High-income skills give you financial security and flexibility. These are abilities that allow you to earn substantial money regardless of your job or location. Examples include coding, copywriting, sales, digital marketing, and investing. Unlike traditional jobs, high-income skills give you control over your financial destiny. When you master a valuable skill, you can leverage it in multiple ways, starting a business, freelancing, or commanding higher salaries. The best part? Many high-income skills can be learned online for free or at a low cost. Investing in skill development pays off far more than relying on a degree alone. The world rewards those who can solve problems, and the right skills make you an irreplaceable asset. Take the time to identify the skills that align with your passions and market demand, and start mastering them today. 3. Health is wealth. The financial benefits of a strong body and mind. Many people overlook the connection between health and wealth, but the two are deeply linked. Poor health can lead to medical expenses, lost productivity, and reduced earning potential. Investing in your health, through proper nutrition, exercise, and stress management, helps you maintain energy and focus to achieve your financial goals. The wealthiest individuals prioritize their physical and mental well-being because they understand that a strong body and mind lead to better decision-making and higher performance. Neglecting your health can be one of the most expensive mistakes you make. Small daily habits, like regular exercise and proper sleep, have long-term financial benefits. A healthy lifestyle reduces medical costs, increases work efficiency, and improves overall quality of life. If you want to build lasting wealth, start by taking care of your most valuable asset, yourself. 4. Mastering financial literacy to multiply your wealth. One of the biggest reasons people struggle financially is a lack of financial education. Schools teach many subjects, but very few teach personal finance. Understanding how money works, how to invest, and how to manage debt is crucial for financial success. The wealthy aren't necessarily smarter, they just know how to use money as a tool. By learning about budgeting, investing, and wealth-building strategies, you can avoid common financial mistakes and grow your money faster. Many people fear investing because they don't understand it, but financial literacy removes that fear. Read books on money management, follow financial experts, and practice smart financial habits. The more you know about money, the more control you have over your financial future. Those who master financial literacy build wealth, while those who ignore it remain stuck in financial struggles. 5. Expanding your network for wealth and opportunities. Your network is one of your most valuable assets. The people you surround yourself with influence your mindset, opportunities, and financial success. Wealthy individuals understand the power of networking and actively build relationships with other successful people. Surrounding yourself with motivated, ambitious individuals pushes you to grow. Connections can open doors to new job opportunities, business partnerships, and valuable insights. Many of the most successful deals and collaborations happen through networking, not job applications. Attend events, join professional groups, and engage in conversations with those who can help you grow. A strong network can be worth millions over a lifetime. If you want to level up your income, start by leveling up your connections. 6. Developing a wealth mindset to attract financial success. Your mindset determines your financial reality. Many people remain stuck in financial struggles not because of external circumstances but because of limiting beliefs about money. A scarcity mindset keeps you focused on lack, fear, and short-term survival, while a wealth mindset opens the door to abundance, opportunities, and long-term success. Wealthy individuals think differently about money. They see it as a tool for growth rather than something to fear or hoard. To develop a wealth mindset, start by eliminating negative beliefs such as, money is evil, or rich people are just lucky. Instead, focus on creating value, solving problems, and seizing financial opportunities. Surround yourself with success-oriented people, read books on financial psychology, and practice gratitude for the wealth you already have. Shifting your mindset is the first step toward transforming your financial future. The way you think about money today will determine how much you have tomorrow. 7. Mastering time management for maximum productivity and income. Time is your most valuable resource, yet many people waste it on distractions and unproductive habits. The difference between high earners and those who struggle financially often comes down to how they use their time. Successful individuals prioritize tasks that generate income, improve skills, and build long-term wealth. If you spend hours on social media, binge-watching shows, or procrastinating, you're losing valuable time that could be used for self-improvement and financial growth. Implementing time management techniques such as goal setting, prioritization, and scheduling can significantly boost your productivity. Instead of working harder, focus on working smarter, automate repetitive tasks, delegate when possible, and set aside time for high-impact activities. Your ability to manage time directly affects your income potential. Those who master time control their wealth, while those who waste it remain stuck in financial mediocrity. 8. Investing in emotional intelligence for career and business success. Emotional intelligence, EQ, is one of the most underrated skills for wealth building. Many people focus solely on technical skills but overlook the importance of managing emotions, handling relationships, and making smart decisions under pressure. Studies show that individuals with high emotional intelligence earn more, build stronger businesses, and achieve leadership positions faster than those who lack it. Successful entrepreneurs, investors, and executives know how to control their emotions, communicate effectively, and navigate complex social situations. Developing emotional intelligence involves improving self-awareness, managing stress, and learning how to influence others positively. Strong EQ leads to better financial decisions, stronger professional connections, and increased opportunities for growth. If you want to succeed in business and wealth building, mastering emotional intelligence is a must. 9. Building a personal brand for long-term financial growth. Your reputation is one of your most valuable assets. In today's digital world, personal branding is more important than ever. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or corporate professional, a strong personal brand can open doors to career advancements, business opportunities, and higher income potential. People trust and invest in those who are known for their expertise, credibility, and authenticity. Investing in your personal brand means developing a clear message, showcasing your skills, and consistently providing value to others. Whether through social media, content creation, or networking, your brand should position you as an authority in your field. A strong personal brand creates financial security because it makes you the go-to expert in your industry. Instead of chasing opportunities, opportunities will start chasing you. If you want to maximize your earning potential, start building your brand today. 10. Learning the art of negotiation to increase your earnings. Negotiation is one of the most powerful financial skills, yet many people never take the time to master it. Whether you're asking for a raise, closing a business deal, or making an investment, negotiation plays a key role in maximizing financial outcomes. Many people accept low salaries, overpriced purchases, and unfair deals simply because they don't know how to negotiate effectively. Wealthy individuals understand that everything in life is negotiable: salaries, contracts, prices, and even debt payments. Learning negotiation tactics such as anchoring, persuasion, and strategic communication can significantly increase your income and savings. Successful negotiators don't just accept the first offer, they create win-win situations that benefit both parties. If you want to build wealth faster, learning how to negotiate is essential. Every negotiation you master puts more money in your pocket and strengthens your financial position. 11. Mastering sales skills to unlock unlimited income potential. Sales skills are not just for salespeople. They are essential for anyone looking to build wealth. Whether you're selling a product, a service, or even your own skills in a job interview, the ability to persuade and influence others directly impacts your income potential. Many of the world's wealthiest individuals, from entrepreneurs to corporate leaders, have mastered the art of sales. Understanding consumer psychology, building rapport, and communicating value effectively can set you apart in any industry. If you own a business, improving your sales skills can significantly boost revenue. If you work a job, knowing how to sell your skills and negotiate better compensation can increase your earnings. Sales is the foundation of financial success, and those who master it gain a lifelong money-making ability that can be applied in any field. 12. Developing resilience and adaptability for financial stability. Wealth building is not a straight path. It comes with challenges, setbacks, and unexpected obstacles. The difference between those who succeed and those who fail often lies in resilience and adaptability. People who struggle financially tend to give up when things don't go as planned, while successful individuals adapt, learn from failures, and keep moving forward. Economic downturns, job losses, business failures, these are all part of life, but how you respond to them determines your financial future. Developing resilience means building a strong mindset, staying prepared for challenges, and viewing setbacks as learning opportunities. Adaptability allows you to pivot when needed, explore new income streams, and stay ahead in an ever-changing financial landscape. The ability to bounce back from adversity is a key trait of every wealthy individual. 13. Cultivating a strong network for financial growth. Your network is your net worth. The people you surround yourself with have a direct impact on your financial success. Successful individuals understand the power of connections and actively build relationships with mentors, industry leaders, and like-minded individuals. Networking opens doors to job opportunities, business partnerships, investment deals, and valuable insights that can accelerate your financial growth. Many high-income earners attribute their success to the relationships they've built over time. Instead of isolating yourself, start attending industry events, joining professional groups, and engaging with successful people in your field. Investing in relationships can lead to opportunities you would never have accessed alone. If you want to achieve financial success faster, surround yourself with people who inspire, challenge, and support your growth. 14. Mastering the art of wealth protection and risk management. Building wealth is one thing, but keeping it is another. Many people make the mistake of focusing only on making money while neglecting strategies to protect it. Without proper risk management, even the most successful individuals can lose their fortunes. Wealthy people understand the importance of asset protection, legal safeguards, and financial planning to prevent unexpected losses. This includes having proper insurance, diversifying investments, and setting up legal structures like trusts or LLCs to shield assets from liabilities. Understanding financial risks and preparing for economic downturns ensures long-term financial stability. The goal is not just to make money but to keep it, grow it, and pass it on. True financial success comes from mastering both wealth building and wealth protection strategies. 15. Learning to leverage debt for wealth creation. Most people fear debt because they only see it as a financial burden, but the wealthy know how to use debt strategically to create wealth. While bad debt, such as high-interest credit card debt, drains financial resources, good debt, such as real estate loans or business financing, can accelerate wealth building. Smart investors use leverage to buy assets that generate income and appreciate over time. Real estate investors use mortgages to acquire rental properties, entrepreneurs use business loans to expand operations, and investors use margin loans to increase market exposure. The key to leveraging debt is understanding interest rates, repayment terms, and risk management. Learning how to use debt wisely can unlock financial opportunities that would otherwise be out of reach. Instead of avoiding debt altogether, focus on using it as a tool to generate wealth rather than a liability that holds you back. 16. Understanding tax strategies to keep more of your earnings. Taxes are one of the biggest expenses you'll face in life, yet many people don't take the time to understand how to minimize them legally. The wealthy use tax strategies to keep more of their earnings, while the average person overpays due to a lack of knowledge. Understanding deductions, tax credits, business write-offs, and investment tax benefits can significantly reduce your tax burden. Entrepreneurs and investors use strategies like setting up LLCs, maximizing retirement contributions, and investing in tax-advantaged accounts to keep more money in their pockets. Learning about tax laws, consulting with professionals, and staying informed on tax-saving opportunities can save you thousands or even millions over a lifetime. The less you pay in taxes legally, the more wealth you can accumulate over time. 17. Embracing minimalism and intentional spending for financial freedom. Contrary to popular belief, wealth is not just about making more money, it's also about managing expenses wisely. Many wealthy individuals practice minimalism and intentional spending, focusing only on purchases that add value to their lives. While society promotes consumerism and excessive spending, financial independence comes from prioritizing needs over wants. Living below your means, cutting unnecessary expenses, and investing in experiences rather than material possessions can lead to financial freedom much faster. Instead of trying to impress others with expensive purchases, focus on securing your financial future. Every dollar you don't waste is a dollar that can be invested in assets that generate long-term wealth. Adopting a minimalist mindset doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means being intentional about where your money goes and making financial decisions that align with your goals. This journey to financial success doesn't end here, it's just the beginning. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep making smart financial moves. Wealth is within your reach, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. If you found this valuable, like and subscribe for more powerful financial insights, and take the first step toward a future of financial freedom today.